Meaning of center. Center is a noun, verb, and adjective. As a noun, it means the middle point or a main place of activity. As a verb, it means to focus something around a point. As an adjective, it describes something located in the middle. 10 daily use example sentences. As a noun. 1. The table is in the center of the room. 2. We visited a shopping center yesterday. 3. He works at a call center. 4. The city is the center of business activity. 5. She stood at the center of attention. As a verb. 6. Let's center the text on the page. 7. His life centers around his family. 8. The story centers on a young girl's journey. As an adjective. 9. Use the center lane to go straight. 10. The center seat offers the best view.